Hey everyone, a very warm welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing the question number 13 from the chapter of trigonometry. The first part of the question says that we have to evaluate the value of tan of 10 degree minus tan of 50 degree and plus tan of 70 degree. Second part says that if theta is equal to 2 pi by 7, then we have to find the value of tan theta into tan 2 theta plus tan 2 theta into tan 4 theta plus tan 4 theta into tan theta. The maximum time allotted for this question would be 10 minutes, and ideally you should try to do it within 4 minutes. So you can pause the video, give the question a try, then return back to have a look at the solution. So I hope you all have tried. The answer to this question would be root 3 and minus 7. And the concepts and formulas used are sine of a plus minus b, cos of a plus minus b, and tan of a plus minus b expansion formulas we should know. These are very standard and basic formulas, so no big deal. And tan of 3 theta formula also we should know in terms of tan theta. This is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. And the product of cosines when the arguments inside them are in GP with common ratio 2, that is also a very standard result which we should always remember. Now we are going to be making use of two results. The very first result is tan of theta plus tan of 120 degree plus theta plus tan of 240 degree plus theta, which can obviously also be written as tan theta plus tan of theta minus 60 degree. The reason is 180 degrees is the period of tan, so I have simply subtracted 180 degree from this, and from here also I have subtracted. So that's how I have obtained this form of this expression. Now I have simply expanded it. Tan of a minus b formula I have used, which is tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. And same thing goes here. Okay, so tan of a plus b I have used. Of course, we are taking small t as tan theta. Now, what I've done is I have taken the LCM of both these expressions. So after taking the LCM, we are going to get in the denominator this expression, and in the numerator, it is going to become this. Yes, when we are going to take LCM and open up the brackets. Once you simplify this expression, it will simply boil down to 8t. Rest all the terms will get cancelled out. And then we again take the LCM so that we get this expression, which is nothing but 3 tan 3 theta, because this expression inside is tan 3 theta. So this is one of the results. Another result is that cos of a plus b plus c can obviously be written as, now I can take this as one of the angles and this as another angle. So this becomes cos a into cos of b plus c minus sin a into sin of b plus c. Now what I have done is cos of b plus c, once again I have expanded, and sin of b plus c I have expanded here. Then what we have done is, look, we are taking cos a cos b as cos b cos c as common. So inside we'll be left with 1 1. Then we'll have minus and minus only, right? So minus I have taken as common. Now what is cos a sin b sin c divided by cos a cos b cos c? Obviously it will become tan a. I think it will become cos a will get cancelled, so tan b tan c it will become. Then similarly sin a sin b cos c, when it is divided by cos a cos b cos c, it will give us tan a tan b. And similarly the last term sin a sin b sin a cos b sin c, when it is divided by cos a cos b cos c, it will give us tan a tan c. Okay, so that's how we have done this. We have just taken this term common out of the entire expression. So now the first question can be easily solved by noting that this can be written as, look, what I have done is the negative sign I have sent inside, so it becomes tan of minus 50 degree, and then I have also added 180 degree, because 180 degree is the period of the function tan, so we can obviously add or subtract any multiple of that period. And similarly here also I have added 180 degrees, so that it becomes, what is 180 degree minus 50? It is simply 130 degree, but 130 degree I have written as 120 plus 10, and here this expression is nothing but a 250 degree, which I have written as 240 plus 10, and this is obviously directly going to be equal to 3 tan 3 theta, where theta is 10 degree. I have just made use of the result that we just derived in the earlier part of the question or the solution. So I think it's quite easy now, because 3 into 10 degree will give us 30 degree, and tan of 30 degree is 1 by root 3. 3 times 1 by root 3 gives us root 3 as our final answer. Now let us talk about the second part as well. So what we'll do is, we'll put a is equal to theta, b equal to 2 theta, and c equal to 4 theta. And in this formula, in this second part of the result, I'll put these values. Okay. So what is cos of a plus b plus c? It is simply this, and it becomes cos theta cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into 1 minus e. E is the expression that we need to find, because obviously this expression only we have to find, where A, B, C are replaced by theta, 2 theta and 4 theta. So it is very easy to see that this is the value of E, and this actually becomes cos of 7 theta, but 7 theta is 2 pi, so cos 2 pi is 1. And this expression is, look, these are in GP, theta, then 2 theta, then 2 square theta. So here we are using the result to write it in this form, right? Now the thing is that uh, 8 sine theta, uh, basically theta value I am putting here, so and cross multiplying. Okay, so 1 into this quantity will be simply this quantity itself, 8 sine theta, and theta is 2 pi by 7, is equal to 1 minus e into sine of 8 theta, but sine of 8 theta will become this. But it is very obvious that these two quantities are equal, because 16 pi by 7 is simply 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7, so their signs are going to be equal, hence they can be cancelled out, and finally 8 is equal to 1 minus e, so e is equal to minus 7 as the final answer. So I really hope you all enjoyed watching this particular solution, and I would say this was a little bit, this question was on a little bit easier side and quite manageable and doable from even the students' perspective. So thank you all for sticking out till the end, and make sure you like the video, comment down below what you like the most, and subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, share it with your friends, and I'll see you all in the next one.